In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a price add-on to your product in Shopify. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to offer added features or services for your products that can enhance your customers' shopping experience and potentially boost your sales. Let's get started with step 1. First, you need to log into your Shopify account and navigate to the Apps section. This is usually located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll want to search for an app that suits your needs, like Textbox and TextField by Textify. Textify is a popular choice, but you might also find similar apps that could work just as well for your store's specific requirements. When searching for Textify, use the search bar at the top and enter its name. It's crucial to note that employing an app designed specifically for customizing product options allows you to create a more dynamic and personalized shopping experience. Once you've located the app in the search results, click on it. This should take you to the app's information page where you can review its features and read user reviews for a deeper insight into its benefits. After reviewing, click the Install button to begin the installation process. It's important to follow the prompts carefully during installation to ensure that the app is seamlessly integrated into your online store. You'll be asked to confirm the installation one more time, which is just a standard double check to make sure everything is correct and as expected. Next, you'll need to add your payment method. This is an essential step if the app requires a subscription or a one-time payment. Enter your payment details, ensuring they are correct, and then click Approve. This step secures the transaction, allowing you to proceed smoothly without any interruptions. It's essential always to keep your payment details updated and correct for a secure Shopify experience. After successfully installing the app and confirming your payment method, it's time to open the app's dashboard. Here, you'll need to activate the add-ons, which is typically a straightforward process. Look for the option to add a price add-on and select it. This can be done for either a new product or an existing one in your store. If you're adding a price add-on to a new product, you'll first need to create the product by filling in all the necessary details like the name, description, and base price before you assign any price add-ons to it. If it's for an existing product, simply select the product and apply the desired price add-ons. There you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a price add-on to your product in Shopify. Not only have you enhanced the customization of your offerings, but you've also opened avenues for increased revenue through add-ons. Remember, each app may have slightly different processes, so always refer to the app's documentation for any specific instructions. Thanks for joining me today, and I wish you success with your Shopify store.